ground chuck, and try to use ground chuck anytime you're making a burger, as you know, for best flavor. All right. Now we're gonna form some burger patties here, and we're gonna go at about 1/3 to 1/2 pound patties, right? And that's pitmaster privilege. And if you've never had pineapple bacon burgers before, you definitely gotta check this out. Oh man, there's some good eating. All right, here we're making the burgers. All right, and you want to compress and form fairly tight. This will help for the grilling. All right. All right. Now, here we've got some fresh cored pineapple. Right. You can use canned sliced pineapple if you have to, but you can cut these fairly thin this way, right? And actually, there's a lot more flavor and juice in the natural cored pineapple, right? You know all about that, right? All right, we've sliced some pineapple, and what you're going to do now, right, is you're going to press them into the burger rather than cooking the pineapples separate, as pretty much everybody does, right? This is the way to get that pineapple flavor deep into the burger. You just press it in, right? Just like that. And you want to put a hole in the center. This keeps the burger from expanding while it's cooking, right? And you flip it and you do the other side. Same. Oh man. When you put this on the grill, all those good flavors, all that moisture, that pineapple juices will get into this burger. Man, this is a real pineapple burger. All right. Man, I told you it was easy to do. We got one in. Now, if you just fell asleep, you just went to the fridge to get a beer or get some peanut butter, we're going to show you again. Just make it like a donut hole in there. Press in that slice of pineapple. Oh, yeah. Oh, it looks good enough to eat already. You've heard that before, right? All right. Again, press the pineapple in. Warm the burger around it just a bit. Make it a donut. Oh, man. Look at that. Gonna do the other side as well. Be sure and make a bunch of these because they're gonna go real fast. Whoa. Right. Are you getting hungry or what? All right. These burgers have been prepped. Right? Now we're going to be grilling them, and you want to grill them indirect, opposite the hot coals. If you grill them too fast, too hot, the chances are you're going to separate the pineapple from the beef. Now, one more thing, you want to add a layer of flavor. We're going to use our SPG on the top, a little saltiness, right? Got some pepper, a little bit of garlic in there, and some other flavorings. You season it the way you want. Now, the bacon has been smoked. It took maybe an hour to do. Indirect, low and slow. And we're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Now, like I said, you place the burgers opposite the hot coals. We go on a medium heat. This allows the burger to stay warm with all that pineapple in there. Put the cover on, and this won't take long to do. Now we're about halfway through, and you're going to flip them. And you see the moisture accumulating in there? That's because of that pineapple. Now you want to cook your burger to 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal. You do it the way you like. We like our burgers medium rare, and the reason is because we can get some fine beef here. Grind our... All right, now, here's the magic of this recipe. We've got some pineapple rum sauce we're going to be cooking up. And it's a butter rum sauce, right? So we got a stick of butter in there. We add some of that pineapple juice to it. And a few shots of your favorite rum. Let's get it in there. Cook it down. It's going to take a bit. It'll thicken up real nice. Just like that. That's the way you want it. All right. These burgers are just about done. We've got some packaged hamburger rolls here. We're just going to grill up a little bit. That'll freshen them up. And through the miracle of time, these pineapple bacon burgers are done. I say it's time to eat. Now, of course, you can set these burgers up any way you want. All right, we're just going to use a little bit of bacon. We're going to use some onion. You can put that leafy green stuff on there, maybe even a tomato. It's all up to you. This is the way we like these pineapple bacon burgers. Whoa. And now we're going to brush on some of that pineapple butter rum sauce. Whew. Oh, yeah. Lord have mercy. That pineapple in there, we've got a Vegematic burger, huh? You're gonna like it. Now, load it on with some bacon. We got some fresh, sweet Vidalia onion out of Georgia. Yeah. Now, of course, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. Oh, man, you better go out and make your own. And it's real easy to do, just like we said.
I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on. I'm gonna throw up some legs and get some barbecue action.
So the next time you're looking for a burger recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.